Hey, have you ever looked at a quote and thought, this could be way better? Imagine sending your customers a quote that's not just numbers on a page, but something clean, polished, and professional. Which one do you think they'd prefer? With Odoo Sales, creating these standout quotes is super easy. Let me show you how. First, you just select your customer. Boom, everything fills in automatically. Need to add products? There's a catalog for that. Just a couple of clicks and you've got the right items and quantities. Then hit send. You can email it, print it, or even send it through WhatsApp. It's that fast, like under a minute fast. Now, if you want to customize the PDF, you can design your pages however you want: logos, dynamic fields, headers, footers, the works. Once it's ready, just upload it to the system. You can even create templates for offers you use all the time. And here's a cool thing. If your products have variants, you only need to upload the design once. The system handles the rest. So why stick to boring, generic quotes? Impress your clients with quotes that actually make an impact. And the best part? It's easy and intuitive to use. Contact OdooTech and book free consultation.